Hey guys, this is Chris again. Just wanted to touch base with you. If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate in the next 9 or 90 days, feel free to give me a call, reach out to me, click the subscribe button or like button below, shoot me a message, PM, telephone call, whatever it may need. We can go over some of the programs available to save you excessively. There's a lot of programs available also if you're looking to sell to keep as much money in your pocket, and then try to navigate through those deals to get you to that finish line. There's so many programs available. There's so many incentives out there a lot of people don't know about, but feel free to give me a call. Here we are at this beautiful place, gorgeous community. I'm gonna walk you through here and let you see what you got. Let me know if there's any questions. If you want to know more about this community and what it has to offer, feel free to reach out. Going into this community, you got the complimentary coffee shop, you got the bar and grill, and they're getting prepped right now. Beautiful amenity center. Got the social hall. What you see about this place is you got the social hall in here. You can utilize this for meetings. You can utilize this for appointments. You can come in here if you wanted to study. If you needed a banquet or a birthday party or event, you can rent these out or put a deposit down and utilize these for different parties and etc. It's a home run. I come on here most of the times and use this as an office as well. Let me bring you down through the rest of this. You got your bathrooms here. The bathrooms are going to have saunas in them. So you got a high intensity gym. You're gonna have basketball courts and volleyball courts. High intensity gym comes in handy. It's very low impact. It's got everything that you may need in here for the core training. It's got all the weights. It's got the pads. It's got the screens over here. If you wanted to do different training, TV to keep you occupied. So if you enjoy the gym workout, this community is one of the best communities in the area, I feel. It has a lot to offer, a lot of different incentives, a lot of different properties in here that might meet. You got 3-car garage, 2-car garage, 3 bedrooms. They got 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, 2 stories, the 6-bedroom properties. Really depends on what you're looking for, but the amenities in this place is hands down one of the best. So coming into here, you got a basketball court, beautiful gym set up. They set up volleyball courts in here. You can utilize this for events. If they have speakers that come in here, they utilize this place. You can do it for circuits. If you work out, you like to jog indoor, it's got a basketball. They set up the volleyball court for volleyball teams. They do different events. They post in the calendar of what's going on. Hands down, beautiful neighborhood. A lot of beautiful things set up in here to utilize. They also have an indoor arcade for friends and family that come in here as well. Nice little setup in here as well. They got games for the kids. Beautiful arcade setup. Each of these games, they have multiple, like somewhere in a ballpark of like 10,000 games on each one of these. This is complimentary in this community. It's got, like I said, on this one's got 10 or 20,000 games on this one. You got the cars, the racing. You got pinball, and another little setup here for another 20,000 games in here. Another 20,000 games in this one. So there's plenty of games. A lot of things in this community keep the kids active, keep them out in the community, keep them off the streets. So. It's a good community. It's got a lot to offer. There's a lot of different things. It's all included in the HOA. These are all complimentary games. What's nice too is they also have a little kid room. So if you want to utilize the kid room, say you were working out and then there was, you wanted to just put your kid into the kid room while you were working out and you wanted to be able to see them. Here's the kid room. Pretty nice little setup, plenty of toys for the kids to utilize. It's a nice little extra that they have in this community. What's nice is if you're working out, you can watch your kid in here while you're doing your workout. Your kid's not running around, they're playing, they're not getting hurt. You can see them while you're in the gym. Nice little setup. We'll pop you into the gym, let you see what you got going on there. It's a beautiful gym. It's got a lot to offer, and then we'll pop outside. So this is one of your gym setups here. The gym, you're gonna get, there's trainers that come in here that utilize this gym, and then also you can get their services as well. Hands down, one of the top communities in here. You have to check it out. Going on to the outside, there's a lot of stuff it has to offer out here. You're gonna have your playground set up. You're gonna have an area for the soccer ball, events. They're gonna do concerts. They're bringing food trucks, etc. They got pickleball, volleyball, tennis. They're gonna have soccer. They're gonna have basketball court outside. So there's a lot of different stuff out here. I'll flip this around so you can see what the outside has to offer as well. You know, you're gonna have your mailboxes over here in the corner. You're gonna have your playground over here. You're gonna have your pickleball. You're gonna have your volleyball or your tennis. You're gonna have the basketball courts. You'll see that they have lights on there as well. You can set up the soccer field right here. They'll do events here. They'll do concerts here. They'll set up food trucks right here, and then bring all this stuff out here, overlooking the lake. Hands down, this is one of the better neighborhoods I've been around throughout Lee County. It has a lot to offer. There's a lot of certain things going on out here that always has an event going on. They always have, like, the holidays, they do events. There's a lot of different things that they do in this community that most places don't offer. So when you're looking for that resort style setup, you're looking for that place where you want to feel like you're on vacation, you're looking for, you know, the place where you want to relax when you're done working all day, and you're like, you know what, I want to go to a place where everything's all in. You know, you got a beautiful fireplace right here. You're overlooking the lake. You can watch the sunsets right here. All that stuff is offered right here. You know, so you want to know more about this community. You want to know about the stuff that it has to offer. This is a complete resort style setup. You're living like you're on vacation. When you're done working, you come home and you enjoy what you have to offer. You got 3 pools. You got the splash pad for the kids. They got game setups for them. You know, you got the hot tub in the corner. There's a lot of stuff that's offered here that's like living in a resort. So you like to go on vacation, you like to see different places, you like Orlando setup, this community is it. I'm gonna flip this around, let you see what it has to offer. So you can set up these boards where you can play these boards during the day. You got the bathroom, you can enter in there. You got showers. You got tables out here if you wanted to relax. Water is always set up. You got your splash pad over here. Got your pool set up, splash pad. Got your volleyball outdoors. Stuff's always utilized. It's living in Orlando setup. Can't beat it. This is the bar and grill. They got it opens up and you got seating, and then you got TVs in there as well for sports. And then coming out here, you got your lap pool if you choose to use it. You got your regular lazy pool as well. You got the hot tub over in the corner. So if you're looking for a community, looking for a place to relax, looking for a place where you want to always feel like you're on vacation, this is it. If you want to know more about this information, if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate in the next 9 or 90 days, feel free to give me a call. My name is Kris from the Savings Specialist Group, 239-898-3413, your local savings specialist.